come. They're coming for the decoy now. Go ahead and get your gun on the decoy.
All right.
Coming fast. They're running. Got him. Had a baby. Had a baby.
That's awesome. That is awesome. Looks like a good one. Ooh.
He's got some hooks too, don't he?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, those are 1.5-inch spurs.
Yep, those are some good ones. It's gonna be a good race between me and Pop with them.
They are. Look how pretty he is.
They are pretty. There ain't no doubt. They're pretty. Seeing them up here is a lot different than when you're just running the ranch and driving around and seeing them.
Yep.
It's a lot different.
Yep.
They're always pretty, but
It's a little bit different when you get in the blind, get on the ground with them, get to see them up close, strutting and gobbling around. Huh?
yep.
Did your heart get to pumping as they were coming
Oh
on?
yeah, they got a little bit, no doubt. They got a little pumping, especially with Pop trying to put all the pressure on me after he got his already.
Yeah, don't hold off on him. You got to call and let him know about this. He was putting the pressure on you, talking trash.
Yeah.
We're not going to discriminate. They're both really good birds.
They were, and getting them both on the same weekend and with my son, it's awesome.